Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 10 feet by 12 feet Gazebo Curtains, a versatile privacy replacement sidewall designed to enhance your outdoor living space. These curtains feature a new roll-up window design with mosquito netting, allowing you to enjoy fresh air and light while maintaining privacy and comfort in any weather. Crafted from durable 100% polyester, these curtains are both waterproof and UV resistant, ensuring they stand strong against rain, wind, and sun. The innovative 2-in-1 design lets you effortlessly switch between the mesh window and full privacy curtain, adapting to your needs with ease. Perfect for outdoor gazebos, patios, pergolas, gardens, decks, or porches, these curtains create a private oasis, shielding you from the elements. Installation is a breeze with loops or hooks, accommodating various pavilion structures, and they are easy to disassemble and wash, making maintenance a snap. Transform your outdoor area into a cozy retreat with these stylish and functional gazebo curtains. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.